Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to download photos from a shared Google Photos album. So at the first, click on the link of the album you have got. Then it will automatically be opened on the Google Photos app. If you don't already have the app, please install it from the Play Store and log in with your Gmail account. And now you will see all the photos in the album. Then choose the photo you want to download from the album and tap on it. Let's download it, for example. Okay, now tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the screen. Then you will see this download option and click it here. And you will see a notification that the photo is being downloaded. And now if you click on this, you will see the photo has been downloaded successfully. So hope you enjoy this. Thank you for watching.